Okay, so hello guys. My name is Keith. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share with you how to uh, connect a RAVE payment gateway to WordPress and WooCommerce and start accepting payments on your website. Okay, so for this, you will need the following. Okay, so for this, you will need to have a RAVE account, and of course, you will need to have your website which is running on WordPress. Okay, so once you have this, then we can begin. So just in case if you don't have a Rave account, all you have to do is just to create one. Okay, so to create one, just go to Google and search for Keith Ruins. Okay, just open the first link you will see. Okay, so when you search for Keith Ruins, then just click on deals. When you click on deals, just scroll down and you find where it's written payment gateways and click the link to register. Okay, so this payment gateway is a RAVE by Flutterwave. It works in Africa. You can connect it to WooCommerce, WordPress, and you can also make direct payments. Okay, so you just have to fill in this form and enter your country where you're from and click on register and you get started. Okay, okay. So once you're done with the RAVE account, all you have the next thing you need to have is a site, of course. Okay, so if you need the website, feel free to contact me. I can design for you. So if you already have a WordPress site, then let's get started. Okay, so this is my demo site. I'm going to test the Rave and the WooCommerce on this site. So this is where I'm going to install WooCommerce, and this is where I'm going to set up Rave by Flutterwave and start accepting payments. Okay, so to begin, I'm going to log into my dashboard. Okay, so we're going to go to plugins. Okay, so we're going to search for Rave. Okay, then we're going to install this first plugin called Rave Payment Forms. So what this plugin does is that you can start accepting payments without installing WooCommerce. Okay, okay, so we're going to install it and I'll show you how you can start accepting direct payments on your WordPress. So we're going to click on activate. Okay, then you need to click here where we have to enter our public key and secret key. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and enter my public key and my secret key. Okay, then the settings I'm going to choose are both card and account. I also going to set up this thing later on. Okay, so for model title I'll say uh Rev. Okay, put in anything you want. Okay, so here I'm going to write pay by Rev. Okay, so for logo, you can set up the URL for the logo. Okay, if you want to be redirected after someone makes a payment, you can put it here. When the transaction fails, you can also set the link here. Okay, you can also edit the pay button according to what you want. So just keep it pay now. Okay, then the country, you can choose who you want to pay. So you can restrict users by countries. So for now, uh I will keep it like this. Okay, so let me just enter my secret keys there and I'll get back. Okay, so I'm done entering the API keys and the public and the secret. Okay, so now what we need to do now is to set up a payment link on our page. So let's say we want to add the payment link here on the page and you want people to pay. So we're going to edit this page. Okay. I think I'm going to delete all this. It's not necessary for now. Okay, so to start accepting payments on the website, okay, the first thing before installing the plugin, okay, when you search for the plugin, click on it before installing. Okay, then just scroll down. When you scroll down, you're going to find these shortcuts here. Okay, um, you should do you should write them and copy them somewhere else. Okay, you're going to be using them like to configure them. Okay, so you're going to find them here down. That's where they'll be. Okay, so let's try to add the basic payment button. Okay, so we're going to copy this first shortcode here and we're going to add it to this page. So all I have to do is click on this plus and search for shortcode and click on it and enter the shortcode there, and we're going to update this page. Okay, so we're going to view this page. Okay, so we have created a payment page where people have to put in the email address, put in the first name, the last name, and the amount one wants to pay. So one can also choose the currency, of which is good. Okay, so as for now, let's say I want to pay $100. So let's say I have to pay. So I'll enter these details. I'll enter the amount, let's say $10. Okay, let's say $10. Then I'll click on pay now. Okay, so this will pop up asking you to enter your card details and you pay. Okay, so this is how you set up payment on WordPress directory. So now let's try out other code. Let's say this one here. Okay, let's see how it will look like. So let's add another shortcode. Okay, let's review the page. Okay, so it's going to output the same thing. Okay, so we're done with the first thing. Now what if we want to start accepting payments using RAVE for our products we are selling on WooCommerce? So this is what we're going to do. So we're going to install WooCommerce. Okay, so to install WooCommerce, just have to do the same thing. Okay, so we're going to install WooCommerce here by searching WooCommerce, and you're going to install, and we're going to activate. Okay, so you have to follow these simple instructions to make sure that everything goes the way we want everything to go. Okay, so enter your address. Okay, then just enter your country there. Okay, then click on continue. Okay, so choose the category. Okay, so I'll just choose any category for the sake of for the sake of just testing. Then you have to choose what products are you going to be selling. Okay, so in most cases you have to choose this digital products and physical products and click continue. Then just choose anything you want. Okay, okay, you don't need these things right now. You can install them later on. Okay, so we're going to continue with the same active theme. Okay, so we don't need JetPress for now, so we're going to click no thanks. Okay, so we are done installing WooCommerce. So the other, the second thing we need to do now is to install. Yeah. So now at this is the eighth step, we need to install now RAVE for WooCommerce. That time we just installed the RAVE for WordPress. So now let us install RAVE for WooCommerce. So to do that again, just have to do the same thing. Okay. Um. Okay. Come on plugins here and click on add new. Okay, and search the same thing RAVE. Okay, so as you can see, there are two WooCommerce ref payment gateways. There's this one here and there's this one here. So you can click on them to check out how they are. You can see some screenshots over here. Okay, you can also click on this one too to see the screenshot. Okay, so for now, you're going to install this one first of all. Okay, and you're going to activate it. So when you activate it, go to WooCommerce, hover over it. When you click on WooCommerce, go to settings. Okay, then you have to click on payments. Okay, then scroll down and see where it's written RAVE by Flutterwave and enable it and click setup. Okay, so we have to uncheck this for live. Okay, so now I'm going to enter my public and secret keys here. So I'm going to pause the video and come back again. Okay, so you can also enter the URL of the logo here. Okay, so I'm done entering the API keys. So the other thing you need to do is to copy this webhook. Okay, when you copy it, copy it and go to your Flutterwave dashboard in the settings and click on webhooks and paste it here. Then you click save. Okay, so now I added the payment gateway. Let's try to add um, a new product. Okay, so I'm going to say demo product. Okay, okay, I'm going to say the price uh is 10. Okay, okay, so you can say it if it's a virtual product which are not shipped or is downloadable by uh after paying, someone will download the product there and then. Okay, so for virtual is good for services which don't need to be downloaded or delivered. Okay, so I'm going to click on virtual. Okay, so you can write a short description, whatever you want to write. Okay, so you can also add an image there. Okay, for now we'll leave this the way it is. Okay, then you're going to click publish. Okay, so the product has been published. Okay, so this is a product here which is on sale and it's $9. Okay, and so just have to click on add to cart. Okay, so the product has been added to our cart. So just have to click on view cart to go to checkout. Okay, so we don't have any coupons code. Just click to proceed to checkout. Okay, then you're going to enter our billing details. Okay, enter our billing details. Okay, so additional notes, these are for the payer. Okay, and we're going to use the payment you've put, which is the RAVE. Okay, and we're going to place order. Okay, so to pay for this order, you will need to click on pay now, and this model will pop up. Okay, okay, so now we'll be asking to enter our card details. So this is how we set up payments in WooCommerce, and that's how we also set up direct payment links in WordPress. Okay, so it's actually easier than you thought it would be. Okay, so now let's say for example, um, for example, you do not wish people to enter the amount they want to pay. Okay, you just want them to pay a desired amount. So all you have to do is to go to Ref and click on payment links. Okay, so here on payment links you can create payment links. Okay, so you can create single charge links, you can create subscription link, you can also create a donation page where people can pay you to donate. Okay, so here is a single charge I created like 31 minutes ago in the previous video. So I'm going to copy it. Okay, so when example I copy this link and I send it to someone, and that someone opens it. So this is a payment link for Zeta for 10 kwacha. Okay, okay, so one will need just to enter the names, and this price is not editable, so one will just pay exactly. Okay, so all you have to do is just copy this URL and go to your uh, WordPress and put the link wherever you want it to be. Okay, so let's edit this same page. Let's say we do not want people to enter the price they want to pay, so you can enter a direct payment link. So I'm going to put in a direct payment link. Okay, I'll put two. So this is a link. You can also add it to a button. Okay, so you have to do just click here and search for button. Okay, you're done. Okay, once you are done with that, click update the page and review the page now. Okay, so here is the first link I added, and this is the button. So when someone just clicks on this page now, okay, it will be redirected to this page where I want us to enter the information and pay. Okay, so this is it about this video. If you liked the video, feel free to like. Okay, if you enjoyed the video and would like to receive more of this type, make sure that you subscribe. Okay, if you have any other questions or I missed something or you're not sure about anything, okay, feel free to comment. I read all comments and I reply them, all of them. Okay, so bye bye for now. Don't forget to check the links in the description, everything is there. Okay, bye bye for now.